You are about to embark on an extraordinary journey that holds the power to transform your life in a way you've never imagined. Get ready to unlock the secrets of manifestation as we delve into the mystical realm of Neville Goddard and the law of assumption. Have you ever wished for a magic formula to manifest your desires faster than ever before? Well, prepare to be amazed, because in this teaching, we will reveal a technique so potent that it can lead to manifestation by morning. But hold on tight, as we're about to dive deep into the legacy of Neville Goddard, a visionary figure who believed in the boundless potential of the human mind. In this teaching, we will introduce you to the captivating one-night manifestation method, a transformative technique that draws upon Neville Goddard's principles and the law of assumption. With just one night of dedication, you can set in motion the forces of manifestation that will align the universe with your desires. So if you're ready to embrace the magic of manifestation, witness the awe, inspiring power of belief, and step into a reality where dreams become reality, then stay tuned. Get ready to unleash the full potential of your mind and experience the wonders of manifestation like never before. Neville Goddard, a visionary figure in the world of manifestation and spiritual teachings, left an indelible mark on the realm of human potential. At the core of Neville Goddard's teachings lay an unwavering belief in the power of the imagination. He fervently advocated that our imagination is not merely a realm of fantasy, but a potent creative force that shapes our experiences in the physical world. By harnessing the law of assumption, Neville proposed that we have the ability to assume the feeling and state of our desired reality. By doing so, we impress upon the subconscious mind, setting in motion a series of events that align with our assumptions, eventually leading to their manifestation in our lives. Picture this: a life where your deepest desires materialize before your very eyes, a life filled with abundance, success, and fulfillment beyond your wildest dreams. Manifestation holds the key to unlocking this extraordinary reality, and the possibilities are limitless. Are you ready to witness the magic of manifestation? Stay tuned as we explore the secrets and techniques that can turn your desires into reality, setting in motion a chain of events that will lead you to manifest the life you truly deserve. Welcome to the one-night manifestation method, a technique that holds the potential to accelerate your manifestations like never before. This powerful method draws upon the timeless wisdom of Neville Goddard, making it a gateway to unlocking the law of assumption's full potential. Neville Goddard's principles form the very foundation of the one-night manifestation method. By combining the power of the imagination with the law of assumption, this technique allows you to tap into the creative force within you and set the wheels of manifestation in motion. The best part? You only need one night. Yes, you heard it right. With dedication and focus for just one night, you can initiate a chain reaction that paves the way for your desires to manifest rapidly. Let's go to practice. At the heart of manifestation lies the profound principle known as the law of assumption. To put it simply, the law of assumption states that your beliefs and assumptions about reality shape the experiences and outcomes you encounter in life. Think of assumptions as the blueprint for your existence. What you assume to be true, whether consciously or subconsciously, acts as a magnetic force, attracting situations, events, and people that align with those assumptions. Here's the key. When you assume a certain state or outcome, your subconscious mind goes to work to make it a reality. It filters information from the external world, honing in on evidence that supports your assumptions, and discarding anything that contradicts them. The law of assumption is not merely wishful thinking or daydreaming. It is a deeply rooted conviction that influences your thoughts, emotions, and actions. In other words, your assumptions become self-fulfilling prophecies. Understanding the significance of the law of assumption is crucial for successful manifestation. By consciously adopting empowering and positive assumptions, you can deliberately create the life you desire. However, if you allow negative or limiting assumptions to prevail, they can hinder your progress and manifest undesirable outcomes. As we embark on the journey of the one-night manifestation method, it's crucial to begin with a clear focus. Take a moment to reflect on your desires and aspirations. What is it that you truly want to manifest in your life? Is it a dream job, a loving relationship, improved health, or financial abundance? The power of manifestation lies in specificity. So, choose one specific desire or goal that resonates deeply with your heart and soul. By honing in on a particular intention, you allow the energy of your focus to magnify, making it easier for the universe to respond to your request. Now that you've identified your desire, set a clear and concise intention for the manifestation process. State your intention as if it has already come to pass. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to find my soulmate," affirm, "I am grateful for the loving and fulfilling relationship I have with my soulmate." Remember, your intention should evoke a strong emotional response within you. The more passion and belief you infuse into your intention, the more powerful its manifestation potential becomes. By preparing yourself in this way, you align your thoughts and emotions with your desire, reinforcing the law of assumption and the process of manifestation. Your intention acts as a compass, guiding you through the rest of the one-night manifestation method. So, take a moment now to set your intention and connect with the energy of your deepest desires. In the next segment, we will dive into the step-by-step process of the one-night manifestation method. Get ready to witness the magic of focused intention and belief as we step closer to manifesting our dreams. Remember, the power to create the life you desire lies within your hands, and by the end of this process, you'll be one step closer to turning your dreams into reality. Let's proceed with enthusiasm and determination as we delve into the transformational world of the one-night manifestation method. To begin the one-night manifestation method, find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. This space can be your bedroom, a cozy corner, or any place where you feel at ease. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Feel the tension leaving your body with each exhale and let go of any worries or distractions from the day. If you find your mind still racing with thoughts, consider incorporating breathing exercises or meditation techniques to further calm the mind. Focus on the sensation of your breath as you inhale and exhale, allowing your thoughts to gently drift away like clouds passing in the sky. The key is to achieve a state of inner stillness and tranquility. As you relax and clear your mind, you create a receptive space for the upcoming visualization and manifestation process. Take your time with this step. There is no rush. Allow yourself to completely unwind, feeling the peace and serenity wash over you. Remember, this is your sacred time to connect with the power within you. Once you feel relaxed and centered, you're ready to move on to the next step, the heart of the one-night manifestation method. Get ready to immerse yourself in the process of visualizing and embodying your desires as we continue this extraordinary journey. Now, let's proceed to step 2 with a focused and open mind. Now that you are in a state of relaxation, it's time to step into the realm of your imagination and bring your desires to life through vivid visualization. Close your eyes and begin to paint a detailed picture in your mind of your desired outcome. Whether it's achieving a personal goal, materializing a dream career, or fostering a loving relationship, see it as if it's happening right now. Envision the scene with absolute clarity. Notice the surroundings, the people involved, and any significant details. Allow your imagination to create a movie. Like experience immersing yourself in the unfolding story of your manifestation. As you visualize, don't just rely on sight alone. Engage all your senses in the process. Feel the emotions that arise from achieving your desire. Taste the sweetness of success. Hear the words of affirmation from loved ones. Smell the scent of victory. Make the experience as tangible and real as possible. The more you can make your visualization feel authentic, the stronger its impact on your subconscious mind and the universe. Your imagination is a powerful tool that bridges the gap between your inner world and external reality. During this stage, don't let doubt or skepticism cloud your imagination. Embrace a childlike sense of wonder and excitement where anything is possible. Remember, in the realm of imagination, there are no limitations or boundaries. Spend ample time here fully immersing yourself in the visualization. Let the feelings of joy, accomplishment, and gratitude wash over you as if your desire has already come to fruition. As you do so, you're sending a clear signal to the universe about what you intend to manifest. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying with you the emotions and energy of your visualization. You have just taken a significant step toward the manifestation of your desires. But the journey doesn't end here. In the upcoming steps, we will delve deeper into the process, taking your manifestation to even greater heights. So, keep the vision alive within you as we move on to the next stage of the one-night manifestation method. Get ready to amplify your manifestation power as we proceed to step 3. Let the energy of possibility and creativity continue to flow through you. Now let's move forward and explore the next stage together. Welcome to the pivotal stage of the one-night manifestation method, embodying the assumption. Now that you've visualized your desired outcome, it's time to infuse it with the power of emotions. Emotions are the driving force behind manifestation. It's not just about envisioning the end result. It's about truly feeling as if your desire has already manifested. Emotions create a magnetic pull that attracts the circumstances and opportunities needed to bring your vision to life. Close your eyes once again and place yourself back in the scene you visualized. Feel the emotions of accomplishment, joy, and fulfillment as if your desire is already a reality. Let the excitement course through your veins, knowing that you have achieved what you set out to accomplish. The more genuine and intense your emotions, the stronger the energetic signal you send out to the universe. Imagine yourself basking in the joy of your success, savoring every moment of the manifested reality. Embrace the sensation of gratitude. Be grateful not only for the manifestation itself, but also for the journey that led you here. Feel appreciation for the growth, learning, and transformation that this process has brought into your life. If any doubts or limiting beliefs arise during this stage, acknowledge them, but choose to release them. Replace those doubts with unwavering faith in the power of your manifestation abilities. Trust that the universe is responding to your heartfelt emotions and will conspire to bring your desires to fruition. Remember, you are not merely imagining. You are stepping into the role of the person who has already achieved their dreams. Embody this version of yourself with absolute conviction. Take your time to immerse yourself emotionally in this experience. The depth of your emotions will fuel the manifestation process and pave the way for the realization of your desires. When you feel the emotions are at their peak, open your eyes, knowing that you have laid a strong foundation for your manifestation journey. But our work is not done yet. In the next stage, we will explore a powerful technique to reinforce your assumptions and send them deep into your subconscious mind. Get ready to tap into the immense potential of your mind as we proceed to step 4 of the one-night manifestation method. Keep the flames of your emotions burning brightly as we continue this transformative adventure. Now, let's move forward together. Welcome to step 4 of the one-night manifestation method, repetition and affirmation. Now that you've emotionally embodied your desired outcome, it's time to reinforce your intentions through the power of repetition. Take a moment to distill your visualization and emotions into a concise manifestation statement or affirmation. This statement should reflect your desire as if it's already fulfilled. For example, if your desire is a dream job, your affirmation could be, "I am thriving in my dream job where my skills are valued, and I am making a positive impact." With your manifestation statement in hand, repeat it aloud or silently to yourself. Allow the words to reverberate throughout your being, syncing your conscious and subconscious mind. The act of repetition serves to further embed your desire into your subconscious. As you repeat your affirmation, visualize each word lighting up in your mind like a beacon, guiding the universe to fulfill your request. To reinforce this process even further, consider writing down your manifestation statement or affirmation. Penning your desires on paper adds an extra layer of commitment and focus to the manifestation process. You can write your affirmation on a note card, in a journal, or as a screensaver on your electronic devices, whatever resonates with you. Place it somewhere visible or carry it with you throughout the day as a reminder of your intentions. Embrace your affirmation as a sacred mantra, allowing it to steer your thoughts and actions toward the reality you wish to create. As you repeat your manifestation statement, maintain the same passion and belief you experienced during the visualization. Trust that your words are powerful and that the universe is actively responding to your intentions. Remember, manifestation is an ongoing process. Repetition strengthens the alignment between your desires and the universe, amplifying the manifestation potential. In the next step, we'll explore the final stage of the one-night manifestation method, a practice that will bridge your desires from the present moment into the realm of sleep. Get ready to embrace the magic of the state akin to sleep as we move forward to the next step. Keep your affirmation close to your heart as we embark on the last phase of this life-changing technique. Now let's proceed together. Welcome to the final and most transformative stage of the one-night manifestation method, state akin to sleep, commonly known as SATS. As you are about to drift into slumber, you are entering a state of heightened receptivity and vulnerability, making it a powerful time for manifestation. The significance of this state just before sleep cannot be underestimated. During this period, your conscious mind begins to quiet down, allowing your subconscious mind to take center stage. This is the realm where your deepest beliefs and assumptions reside, and it's here that you can plant the seeds of manifestation. As you lay in bed, embrace the SATS state with a sense of reverence and purpose. It's essential to be intentional during this time, as your subconscious mind is wide open to suggestions and impressions. Now, here's the secret to supercharging your manifestation. Enter the SATS state with the unwavering assumption that your desire has already been fulfilled. Affirm to yourself, "It is done," or "I am grateful for the manifestation of my desire." By assuming the feeling of your desire already being a reality, you align your subconscious mind with your intention, harmonizing it with the energy of the universe. In this state of assumption, you release any doubt or fear, knowing that your desire is inevitably on its way to manifesting in your physical reality. As you drift into sleep, hold on to the emotional intensity you experienced during the earlier stages of visualization and affirmation. The energy of your assumption will resonate in the depths of your being, setting the manifestation process in motion. Trust that the universe is working on your behalf while you rest, orchestrating the circumstances and synchronicities needed to bring your desires into fruition. Keep in mind that manifestation is a co-creative process between you and the universe. You have planted the seeds of intention. Now it's time to release any attachment to the outcome. Allow the universe to work its magic, knowing that the perfect timing and path will unfold. As you awaken the next morning, carry with you a sense of expectancy and gratitude. Stay open to signs and opportunities that may come your way, knowing that your manifestation is well underway. With the completion of this step, you have reached the pinnacle of the one-night manifestation method. But remember, manifestation is an ongoing journey. Embrace this practice as part of your daily life and continue to nurture your desires with love, belief, and patience. Now go forth with the knowledge that you possess the power to shape your reality. The one-night manifestation method has opened a doorway to limitless possibilities. Embrace the magic within you and manifest the life of your dreams.